Hi, I'm Jesse with Redash. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to make customized charts with Redash, then add them to a dashboard. I'll use this table, which shows the monthly recurring revenue changes of a software as a service company. You can see how we generated this table by reading the blog post linked in the video description below. To get started, click New Visualization and name this chart MRR Change. I'd like this graph to be a bar chart, which is the default. And for the X column, we're going to use a time series called month. For this chart, I'd like each bar to show new MRR, expansion MRR, churned MRR, contraction MRR, and net new MRR. Since the graph is looking pretty crowded, we're going to choose to stack along the X-axis. That looks much better. Now I'm going to clean up this legend by getting rid of the underscores. I could do this in the SQL query, but I can also do it from the Series tab of the visualization editor. Let's make net new MRR a line. Next, we can improve contrast by setting a custom color for each data series that's shown on the chart. Now we click Save, and we have a finished chart that's ready to be included on a dashboard. Redash allows you to make more than one visualization per query. Let's make another one called MRR Growth Over Time. It'll be a simple bar chart tracking MRR by month. We can fix the legend in the Series tab, and let's make these bars green. Perfect. Now let's add our charts to a dashboard. Start by clicking the Create button and selecting Dashboard. Name your dashboard. In this case, we'll call it SaaS Metrics Dashboard, and click Save. Now that you're on the dashboard editor, click the Add Widget button and search for the SaaS Metrics query. The available visualizations will be shown, and you can select them one at a time and add them to the dashboard. Once you've added them, you can drag to rearrange or resize them as needed. Click Done Editing when you're finished. And that's how you make simple visualizations and add them to a dashboard inside of Redash. Thank you so much for watching.